to talk about the Coleus plant. The Coleus plant is such a wonderful garden plant. It could be a garden plant, it could be a potted plant, any way you want. There are so many varieties. They say there's over 270 different varieties, different colors, different sizes and shapes in these things. You can have them grow as big as 4 feet or more of a ground cover. But today I want to show you how to propagate them. We're going to do it 2 ways. We're going to use the soil and or just plain water. But it's so easy and simple. Let me show you on the plant. Let's get started. Hey, just a quick note on this plant. I want you to know that this plant was a cutting that we did last summer and kept it in the house all winter. And that's how it got so big and so nice. Now we're able to use it this summer. So the cuttings we use will be 2nd generation. All right, it's so easy to root these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the 2 ways. One is just simply putting them in water. So we're going to take our plant and cut it. Now we have our cutting, and it's just simply a matter of putting it in water, waiting 2 to 3 weeks. You will see the roots come. I have an example of some of the root balls from the past, and these made great plants. We're able to put them either in pots or in the garden directly after the rooting. Second way, got to cut another branch here. Second way is we've taken some standard potting soil, put it in a container, and it's very simply place it in there up to the leaves, and of course we want to add water. You've got to keep it moist. You want to keep this one extra moist because of the soil, because we won't be able to see it as much. The one in the water will have water all the time. So these are the 2 ways that we do it. And we will make 2 new plants out of these. And again, we'll have the choice of keeping it a house plant or putting it in the garden. Now that we talked about the 2 ways of propagating the plant, another way we can get Coleus plants is by the seeds. Now, the Coleus have flowers, as we can see. We don't grow these plants for flowers. We grow them for the color of their leaves and get them to be big, bushy, great plants. So if you want to get the seeds, though, if you want to harvest the seeds, you have to pinch the flower off. I would suggest putting it in a paper bag or a plastic bag and leaving it sit. You have to let this completely dry out until it's completely brown. Then you kind of sift it, and you'll be able to sift the seeds. The seeds are so small. Be careful, but then you can plant the seeds and grow the seeds. Now, a 2-fold on clipping the flower is it will promote growth in the plant. You will get the stems growing, and you'll get a much fuller plant. So there's another way, if you want, to propagate your plant. Hope that helps. There you have it. How simple and easy is this to propagate these and make more plants? Reminder, this one was from a cutting I did last fall, and I kept it inside all winter. I grew it, now I'm going to recut it and expand it again. Isn't that cool? Hey, I hope you learned something here. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger with another backyard project. Go outside, get in the garden. It's fun. God bless you.